Hi, welcome back to the Caravan. Hi, welcome back to the channel, the Caravan and Us. Hope you've all had a fantastic bank holiday weekend. Exceptional weather. Dare I say it, a bit too hot? No, I didn't say it, but I've said it. I came up to the Caravan on Sunday just to give it a good clean inside and out. And I noticed on the fly screens there's just a little bit of mildew. Now I presume this is when we've got the Caravan in storage. I have the blinds down, and with the humid weather I've never noticed it before, but obviously because we've had it sort of like torrential rain, then exceptional hot weather, obviously it's caused a bit of condensation, I presume, and there's just a little bit of mildew on the fly screens. It's not all the windows, there's only a couple, mainly the back and the front ones, the front fly screens on each window. I have bought some Astonish mildew and mould remover. Now I was going to do that this evening, however my wife's pointed out I'm going to have to leave it on there to dry you put it on and you literally just wipe it off, but then you've got to leave it to dry. And obviously, although it's a secure storage site should I say, I can't leave the windows open. That's just not acceptable. Well, it'll be against insurance policy anyway. So it's something we're going to do whilst we're next away in Durham, where we can have the windows open, fly screens down, and I can just put it on, give it a wipe and leave it there to dry. So I'll show you what I've bought. It wasn't over expensive. I got it from Wilko's, I think, and I can't remember exactly how much it is, to be perfectly honest, but it was only a few quid. But I will show you that now. So this is the liquid. It's Astonish Mould and Mildew Blaster. It says leaves surfaces hygienically clean, no need to scrub. The pinnacle of cleaning. Now on the back, I think it might zoom in well, but the directions are literally on horizontal surfaces. You just spray it on, leave it for a few minutes and wipe off. Vertical surfaces, put it onto a sponge, wipe on, leave a few minutes and wipe off. It really is as simple as that. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but that's the worst one. Should be able to see it, I think. But on another note, came up to clean the Caravan, and I'd like to thank the bird that did that. Just goes to show, when I actually cleaned the Caravan, I didn't clean any bird poo off. Clean it, and typically a bird goes and drops it all over. So thank you for that, Mr. Bird.